The Community Engaged Research course was developed in 2019 by Capacity Catalyst, Huston-Tillotson University, and measured as a way to collaboratively address the systemic inequities in research and data. We are training the next generation of Black and Brown researchers. There have been so many ways that data and research has harmed our community with racist algorithms and so many other ways. And so we are really reclaiming that power.
Between all of our orgs, we brought together expertise in research, data, evaluation, community engagement, and we have a stronger program because it's all of us working together to develop something and now expand it to new campuses with Texas State than either one of us would be able to do on our own.
So as we've shared, the course was created by our three organizations in 2019, and we kind of settled on this idea of developing a training experience for our students so that HT students would be very well equipped to help nonprofits who have data and evaluation needs.
So this morning, we were able to bring together members of the community and potential supporters of the course to hear from former participants and learn more about how their experience in the course impacted them and their lives and their work.
For us, it was just the chance to teach our youth about what's going on in the community. And secondly, for us to get the data, because like I said, we're very grassroots. That was the first time we ever collected data.
Something I got from this experience that I know I wasn't able to get anywhere else was an answer to the question, what are you going to do with your degree? Or how are you going to use that to make money?
For me, it was more of the data and not just hearing people say, okay, well, Black men need therapy or they need help, but rather seeing, okay, this is the percentage that needs this type of help and they're trying to get help or they don't know where to get help.
The goal really was to share with folks how they can become involved in having these life-changing experiences through financial support of the course, as well as partnering as nonprofits or as students enrolling in the course.
But the people who are making the decisions to give us money are not the same people who see the need. So they hear the need and they hear that it's good, but they're not affected by it.
Being able to leverage the skills that I learned from this course, I've been able to make a living for myself.
One, we were able to target our resources, instead of just doing whatever, we're able to target where we spend our most time at. We were doing it, but now it's on a higher level to where now we're getting phone calls, hey, that research you did, can we borrow it? So it's actually not only helping us, but it's helping some of the biggest school districts in the state of Texas now. So
I just learned, even from Measure, that advocacy can be very simple, but we need more voices, and having our younger generation be a part of the change with our nonprofit leaders, but then also be a change by going into the community, using that research, and then changing policy if possible, just being an advocate for that voice. They don't have to write it, but support the things that affect the community as well.